Hey everyone, welcome back to Paul's Q. Today's going to be a video inside the kitchen. I have my little helpers with me. We're going to show you how we make breakfast in our house. Today we're going to be making waffles.
Hi. Hi.
Well, let's get started. Here we have today some milk, sugar, flour. We have bananas, eggs, vanilla extract, baking powder. Well, let's mix everything together. Okay.
There's marketing.
This is Angelo. He's going to add the flour into the mixer. Put the flour, buddy. Put it all in there, buddy. Good job, little man. Now we have Paulina, who's going to add another cup of flour into the mixer.
It's all filled up.
Good job. Good job, guys.
Now the milk.
No, not yet, buddy.
What?
Now Angie's going to add the sugar.
Sugar?
Yeah, we like sugar in ours.
Hold it. Sugar. This sugar.
Add it in, buddy. Put it in the mixer, buddy.
Sugar.
Put that in the mixer, buddy. Good job, little man.
I saw some milk.
Okay, sweetie. It's your turn.
Okay. What do I add?
Add the baking powder into the mix.
Okay. You have to see.
Good job.
Why try to knock down the dust?
So now that we have our dry ingredients in the mixer, it's time to turn it on and give them a little mix.
Whoa, it looks so soft. I wish I could touch it. It looks so soft. It hurts our fingers. Can we put the banana?
Now we'll add the milk to the mix.
Yeah? And then it's going to get softer. It's so clumsy. Yeah, it's so wet. Watch that. You don't want to get it on there. It smells good. It smells like milk.
It smells like milk. That's because it is milk, sweetie.
Now we're going to add the chocolate.
Then we're going to add in our vegetable oil.
Add vegetable. It smells like gas, like it looks like that. It smells like gas. It smells like gas oil.
Next we'll be adding the eggs.
Oh my gosh, you're adding eggs. Ooh, it's good.
Hold that, buddy.
Can I hold the other one? It's turning into a pond. Look at all the water. It's turning into a pond.
So now we'll be adding a little bit of vanilla extract to the mix.
Yeah.
I just eyeball it. I don't measure it. That looks about right.
Yeah.
Now my helpers are going to add banana. Careful, guys. Just drop them in one at a time.
It's getting mixed. It's getting mixed into the banana.
Good job, guys.
I'm having to go dirty.
That's okay.
2 more.
That's the fun part.
Now time to wash your hands.
Okay.
Why did the
Rinse
wash?
off our hands.
I don't know why to shower.
That's good, buddy.
Oh yeah, me. Now, mommy. Whoa, my house is all clean. Okay, it's my turn to come on this chair, and then I'm going back on my chair. Why?
Okay, guys. Now it's time to add the chocolate chips.
We gotta eat now.
Let's add chocolate chips to the mix now, guys.
Okay, just wait. We gotta eat what's in my hand.
Okay, add them in. Be careful, guys. Good job, guys.
Now you have to.
Thank you. Hey. Now that we've got everything mixed in the bowl, it's ready to start making them. I use the measuring cup to pour it into the waffle iron. It's easier. I had the waffle iron preheating while we were mixing, so it's ready to go. Now we just close the lid. And we wait 3 to 5 minutes. We'll pick back up when these ones are ready. Oh, here we go. Waffles are ready. I lost one of my helpers in the process of cooking, but I picked up another one. Okay guys, give it a try. Are they good, guys?